Unlock seamless payments for your business with this quick Sumup card reader setup guide. First things first, unbox your Sumup card reader. You'll find the reader itself, a charging cable, and a quick start guide. Keep that guide handy for reference, but this video will walk you through everything you need to know. Next, let's power up your reader. Connect the included USB cable to your Sumup device and plug the other end into a power adapter or a USB port. You'll see a charging indicator light up on the reader, letting you know it's getting juice. While it's charging, grab your smartphone or tablet and download the Sumup app from your device's app store. Search for Sumup and tap to install. It's free and essential for managing your payments. Once the app is installed, open it up. If you're new to Sumup, you'll need to create an account. Follow the prompts to enter your business details and set up your payment profile. If you already have an account, simply log in. Now, let's pair your card reader. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone or tablet. In the Sumup app, go to the Settings or Terminal section and select Connect Card Reader. Your reader should appear in the list of available devices. Tap on it to connect. You'll see a confirmation on both your app and your card reader. Once they're successfully paired, your Sumup card reader is now ready to accept payments. To take a payment, simply enter the amount in your Sumup app, tap Charge, and have your customer present their card. They can tap, insert, or swipe their card depending on the reader model and card type. That's it. You've successfully set up your Sumup card reader, empowering your small business to accept payments with ease and professionalism. Happy selling!